In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Shopify tutorial. We'll walk through setting up ticket sales using a popular event management app, so you can take paid registrations right on your storefront. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, open the Apps area and choose to add apps. When the prompt appears, continue to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Event Ticket, and in the results, look for EVEY Events and Tickets. This app integrates directly with your products, issues QR-coded tickets, and syncs orders with attendees. Click the app to open its page, then select Install. Review the permissions, confirm the installation, and wait a moment for Shopify to connect the app to your store. After installation, the app will open inside your admin. Choose Create Event to start a new listing. Begin by entering the essential details: a clear event name and a short description that tells customers what's included, any age limits, and your refund policy. Next, set the date and start time. If your event runs across multiple days, enable the option that says the event is more than one day, then choose the end date and time as well. Take a second to confirm the time zone so tickets display correctly on your storefront. Add the location. For in-person events, type the venue name and address. For virtual events, add a concise joining instruction or a placeholder you'll update later with the meeting link. Now choose Event Visibility. Keeping it as a draft lets you configure tickets without publishing. Switching to Active makes the event available to buy on your online store once you're ready. Create your ticket types. Add options such as General Admission or VIP, set the price, and define the available quantity to control capacity. You can also adjust sales start and end times to open or close ticketing automatically. If you see any additional highlighted settings, use them to refine things like tax behavior, required attendee details, or visibility on the product page. When everything looks good, save the event. The app will generate a product in your catalog with the ticket options you created. From there, customers can check out as usual, and the app will email tickets and track attendees for you. That's the complete flow to sell event tickets on Shopify using EVEY. Double-check your dates, location, and inventory before turning visibility to active, and you'll be ready.